Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the grid layout into your sections for Squarespace. We're going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we are going to be on this specific dashboard of the website concerned. The grid layout is extremely useful for achieving pixel-perfect alignment in Squarespace. It helps you place elements consistently, which improves the overall professionalism of your design. So once we are here, we're going to head over the website, select the page that we want to head over, and select the layout that we are going to add the grid for. And as an example, I'm going to apply this into the home page. Click on Edit, and it is going to show you here the page and the content, also with the website editor. You can apply grid layout adjustments on any page, but using the home page as an example is great because it usually contains multiple sections and visual elements that benefit from better alignment. Select the case or the section that you want to put the layout on. Click on Edit Section, and as you can see, we're going to have here the grid. Now the grid is going to be by tapping the grams on the keyboard. As you can see, this is the grid. Extra tip: pressing grams again toggles the grid off. This is helpful when you want to return to a clean view after adjusting your layout. If I am going to add here, or head over the design, I can go ahead and set up the gap between the grids. As you can see, I can increase it, decrease it, put it like this or like that. I can also put it like that into a little square, a big square, or a divided square. And also for the height, I can control the height for all of the sections. Adjusting grid gap and height helps you create balanced spacing. A larger gap gives your layout a more modern, airy feel, while smaller gaps create a compact, tighter design. Now, aside from that, it is going to be very easy for the row count. It is going to be the grid. I can go ahead and increase, decrease, as you can see, the grids as much as I want. So I have the row count of 25 grids. I can go ahead and set up the 25 grids like that, or put it only for, let's say here, 20, and it is going to decrease. Changing the row count helps you fine-tune vertical spacing and alignment. This is especially helpful when designing hero sections, galleries, or multi-column layouts where precision matters. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one. Say Tuesday night.